I've got a bowl of chopped potatoes here, nice little chunky pieces, and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to them just to get a nice coating, and then we'll just give those a bit of a shake up. Then I'm going to add some garlic granules to that, a nice helping, 2 teaspoons, and about the same of paprika. And again, we'll just give those a shake about. So everything's got a nice coating. And then I'm going to put those in air fryer, and I'm going to cook them until they start to go crispy. Now I'm just going to add a bit of olive oil to this frying pan, and then a pack of mincemeat, and break that up, and we're going to brown it. Then I'm going to add 1 chopped onion, looks like salads are out at the moment anyway. I'm going to add a few mushrooms to this, but I'm going to break them up into smaller pieces. I'm just going to drain some of this excess oil away now, and then we'll cook it for a bit longer, just to make sure these mushrooms is cooked and that minced beef is starting to brown. And we can hear it's starting to crackle a little bit now, which is just what we need. I'm going to add some soy sauce to this, and some mustard sauce, a little salt, and a little white pepper, about a teaspoon. I think I'll add a sprinkle of garlic to this as well, why not? But we want to make this spicy, so I'm going to add a little chilli powder. Make it as hot as you want, but I think a teaspoon will be enough. And I've just boiled some finely chopped vegetables, just so they're soft. Now that's more like it. We love as veg, but it doesn't hurt to have a little bit of meat now and again. I'm going to add about 250 millilitres of beef stock to that. Just so we can keep that meat nice and moist. I'm just going to cover that for a few minutes. I just left that for 4 to 5 minutes, and now everything is done. Those potatoes are now nice and crispy. So we're going to put them all in the bottom of this casserole dish. Just going to even them out a little bit. I'm just going to give them a sprinkle of cheese. And I'm covering these with that mincemeat and vegetable mix. We'll get some of those meat juices on there as well. And then I'm going to cover that with cheese. And I'm just adding a few cherry tomatoes at the top of that, and I'm cutting them in half. And now that's ready to go in the oven, and we'll cook that on 180 for about 25 minutes, so all this cheese is nicely melted and everything inside is piping hot.